This has got to be one of my very favorite, is the serum. I love the Redox Serum. So look at how much I'm putting on there, just a little teeny bit. And this is advanced serum, so there is a lot more of the redox signaling molecules in here. And I like to put them directly on where my fine lines and wrinkles are, and then my marionette lines right here. So I make sure that I put that on every day, make sure that my eyelids stay lifted, tucked, tightened all in there. And this really helps repair your skin and keep it soft and vibrant, and to keep it smoothed out. So all this whole area. And then the other area that I like to use it on is my crepey skin on my neck. You know, as I get older, I really want to make sure that I keep this lifted, tucked, and tightened all right here. So I love to put it on my crepey skin. And then the backs of my hands. If you have anything left over, put it on the backs of your hand. The serum, the Advanced Renew Serum is in this little tube, and I promise you, it will save you so much money from all those serums that you buy and spend hundreds of dollars on. This is less than $100. It has saved me so much money. And I don't do Botox, so for sure right there, 100% saves you a lot of money. But put it on daily. Keep it in your routine, morning and night. I use it, it lasts so long because you only need just a little bit. If you want to try this out, then go to my website. It's aseaglobal.com/face. It is going to be amazing on your face. It has helped repair all of the damage that I had done on my face, and now it just helps my skin be so vibrant. So text me or message me, and I can give you a promo code for first-time users. Give you a 10% off for your first order. Stay young, stay happy, and healthy.